Hello everyone, my name is Raval Dhruvi and I am a student of Dayamayi Mata English Medium School studying in 8th Anthurium.
And I am Aaradhya from class 8th Anthurium studying in Dayamayi Mata English Medium School. Welcome to today's school's news bulletin where we share exciting updates and activities from our vibrant school life.
We begin with an exciting, amazing opportunity. Our school has been invited to participate in GMS Olympiad 2025-26 hosted by Dayamayi Mata School.
This is a prestigious inter-school competition aimed at boosting knowledge and curiosity through general knowledge questions related to science, geography, history, culture and current affairs.
Here's something impressive. Last year, around 600 students from 19 different schools participated in this grand Olympiad.
The Olympiad is open for the students of standard 5th to 10th and has 3 levels of competition. Level 1 will be online on 4th August 2025. It contains 200 MCQs, 80% will be from the PDF and 20% will be from the current affairs. Prizes are Rs 2000 for the first prize, Rs 1500 for the second prize, Rs 1000 for the third prize. Level 2 will be online on 2nd September 2025. 70% from the PDF and 30% from the current affairs. Prizes are Rs 3000 for the first prize, Rs 2000 for the second prize and Rs 1500 for the third prize. And the last and the final round will be offline in December 2025 based on textbooks, PDF, current affairs and GK. Prizes are Rs 10,000 for the first prize, Rs 5,000 for the second prize and Rs 3,000 for the third prize, plus consolation prizes, medals and certificates. Registration fee is just 200 rupees per student.
So let's give our best and make our school proud again.
Headline 2 is Rakshabandhan celebration. Let's us celebrate the beautiful bond of brothers and sisters with Rakshabandhan celebration on 8th August.
Here's how different classes will celebrate. KG students will take part in a sweet Rakhi time activity to honor the spirit of protection. Classes 1st to 4th will show their creativity in Rakhi making competition using unique designs and craft materials. Classes 5th and 6th will step out to share joy by tying Rakhis to the front side and back side neighbors of the school. Classes 7th, 8th and 9th will visit Rishitirth old age home where they will celebrate by distributing fruits and spending quality time with the elders, spreading love and learning to care for our parents as they grow older.
Let us participate with full energy, kindness and curiosity.
Headline 3. On August 2nd, in a refreshing educational initiative, our school organized an extraordinary bagless day. Instead of carrying books, our students stepped out of their classrooms and went into the open field for the live demonstration of farming in the monsoon.
On this special day, the students observed the soil preparation and fantastic tools and machinery used in agriculture and learned about the sowing and effective water management. Most importantly, they witnessed up close the immense effort and commitment of our farmers and gaining a newfound respect for the backbone of our nation.
The main vision was to create a bridge between the gap of practical and theory, connecting our young minds with the heart of agriculture.
The day turned into a learning adventure as students asked thoughtful questions and gathered information about the field.
So, let us hear out what our students say about the farm visit.
Hello everyone, I myself Goel Shriya from class 8 level. I am here to share my experience about the field visit. Going to the field instead of studying from the book was very exciting. I show a real tools and also learns the difference between modern and traditional farming. The best part of this visit was when we are talking to the farmer and seeing their enthusiasm while they were explaining their work. In this, the best things I learned is the teamwork is very important in agriculture. This visit inspired me to help my parents in small kitchen works. Thank you.
I myself Pandey Rajvi from class 8 condition. I visited the farm and it was amazing. The farmer showed us how they keep the soil healthy with different methods. That this activity lead us to lead us, which we read in book in real life. Thank you for our teachers to organize such a great day.
I myself, Udatla Jigal from class 8th Anthurium. I am here to share my views about the farm visit. The farm visit was an amazing experience for me. I never knew how much hard work a farmer do to grow our food. I enjoyed asking questions to farmers and learning how they grow crops. Watching them prepare soil and using big machines was an amazing experience for me. Another it is that walking with my friends added even more fun. I now knew why we must value each and every grain of food. I hope that we will do such more practical activities. Thank you.
So let us start with something futuristic. This week, the students of 9th standard got an opportunity to explore the world of artificial intelligence. In our AI session, they learned how the machines think, learn and help us in real life. Whether they are robots or AI assistant, they help in every way.
Our KG teachers performed a joyful dance and their energy lit up the stage and it brought big smiles on every little tiny faces.
In any activity, what matters the most is the heart we put into it.
Thank you and have a meaningful and cheerful day ahead.